So if you'd like to know a really easy way to make money online very quickly, then you need to pay attention to this video, because today I'm going to show you an amazing app. I've just been testing it. I'm going to show you some samples in a minute. And I've got to say the quality that this is producing is unbelievable. So you literally just choose your actor and you choose your voice. Right now they've got actors matched with voices, but you can mix that up as I've done. And then you type in what you want it to say, and then you select whether you want subtitles or not, which I think is a brilliant angle as well. And then it creates it in seconds. Now this is the easiest thing to use, and the quality that you get is actually amazing. For the price that you pay, this gives you the ability to generate really convincing videos that will convert very well without you ever getting your own face on camera or using your own voice. These are created with real human actors, and they'll convert incredibly well on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. And you can also use this software to create videos that you sell to clients at $500 to $1,000 a pop. All right, so there are many ways that you can use this to make big money fast. With that being said, let's go and take a look inside the software. Now this is the sales page for the product, and one thing that I think is really impressive and important is that they used the actual software to create the sales video. Now you might think, oh, so what? You know, if that's what it's supposed to do, why wouldn't they do that? And the fact of the matter is, because typically when you see programs like this being released, they don't actually use the software to do the sales video, even though that's what they're kind of saying it should do. So I was really impressed with that. The entire sales video is created using the software. So you've got two options on the sales page if you're going to go for the front end and maybe pick and choose any upgrades that you want. The first one is light and the second one is the agency special. Now these are going to be priced very similarly, so I would definitely recommend that you go for the agency special, because it's only going to be just a little bit more and you get so much more. That's going to give you access to 30 actors to choose from, 15 green screen actors so you can put your own backgrounds, create up to 25 videos, create up to videos up to 30 seconds long, whereas on the front end it's just on the light is only 15 seconds long. Done for you subtitles included, and the subtitles work really well, as you'll see in the demos that I show you. All subtitle customization options included, done for you AI script writer included, and a bonus emotion adding feature for your script, agency rights included, full access to built-in stock image and video backgrounds, and full access to create videos in all languages, a one-time payment of 70% discount. All right, so that if you're going to go for just the front end and maybe one or two or none of the upgrades, then that's what I'd go for. Other than that, you might want to go for the bundle where you're going to get the entire suite, all of the upgrades at a massively discounted price. Now the first upgrade that you're going to be offered as you come through, so once you buy the front end, the first upgrade that you'll be offered is this one, where this is the plus, where you can lock in your UGC Valley discount for life. No monthly price hikes, no surprise fees, just a steady discounted rate. You can lock that in and you can get double the video creation power. So with Agency Plus you can create double videos every single month, so you can scale faster, and you also unlock 60-second videos, so that's from 30 seconds it goes up to 60 seconds. You also get instant access to all future features every time they roll out. Now this is going to be just $1 to start with, and then it goes on to a recurring $47 per month locked in discount, so as you can see here. All right, so that's the upgrade number one. Upgrade number two is $47, and that allows you to create videos in bulk at lightning speed. So stop creating videos one at a time. With Hyper Mode you can generate multiple videos at once, saving you hours of work while maximizing your output. Automate and scale like a pro. Test different voices and actors with one click. And this is the ultimate time-saving upgrade. All right, so $47 gets you ready to create multiple videos at once, so you can target multiple clients, offer services, locations and more in a matter of minutes. Upgrade number 3 is the club, where you get access to all the new actors and voices that they're adding every single month. I really like this. I've been subscribing to products like this in the past, and when there are good products that you use all the time, it really does help if you've got like fresh content and fresh stuff to put out there. So this is just $97. That is a one-time fee. It's not recurring, and that's going to get you access to all of the new stuff every month. And then upgrade number 4 is unlock the ability to upload custom videos of yourself or your clients to instantly create video content on demand. No studio, no editing, no hassle, all right? So Joshua tells you in this video how that works. I really like the idea of this upgrade, I've got to say. It says upload your own videos and reuse them forever. No more filming the same thing over and over. Just upload a video once and use it to create unlimited UGC style content inside UGC Valet. UGC is user-generated content. By the way, I should have mentioned that earlier, but I just assumed that most people would know that, and then I realised that maybe you don't know that. So yeah, user-generated content is what UGC is. So this upgrade is $67. So when you come into the members area, you've got a welcome video from the vendor, Joshua here, and then you just come through to videos, and it's as simple as this. To create a new video, you click on plus, and then we're just going to choose one of the actors. So I've done a few samples already. Let me see, we can go through now and see who we want to choose. I think we might go for Liam, so we can select that. If you click on details, you do get the ability to preview, but you don't get to hear anything because you choose your voice separately anyway. It says works great with a Liam voice. It depends on what you want. Maybe you don't want Liam to be American, you might want him to be British, etc. But we can go through and see that. So we're going to click on continue, and now this is where we get to choose the voice, and we can preview the voices. So if we go down to find Liam.
Hello, thanks for listening. I am one of the voices you can use for this actor. Does this suit your needs, or would you rather use a different one?
Well, as I said, we might want to go for someone else. Let's try Mark.
Hello, thanks for listening. I am one of the voices you can use for this actor.
I think that sounds quite good. Robert is old.
Hello, thanks for listening. I am one of the voices you...
These are definitely all speeded up a bit. I don't know what's going on here. I don't think I've changed it. I've not selected anything to make it faster. They seem to be very fast.
Hello, thanks for listening.
Well, apart from Chris. Well, let's go.
Hello, thanks for listening.
All right, seems like we're okay now. All right, so let's see. I wanted to find...
Hello, thanks for...
Oh, blimey, Jim. I wanted to find someone who sounded British.
Hello, thanks for listening. I am one of the...
Well, he does, but he sounds a bit too old.
Hello, thanks for listening.
Hello, thanks for listening. I am one...
Oh, I tell you what, there is a really good British one that I've used already. That was Axel.
Hello, thanks for listening. I am one of the voices you can use for this.
But I think he sounds a bit too young for the guy that we've chosen.
Hello, thanks for listening. I am one of the voices...
Let's see.
Hello, thanks for listening. I am one of the
Yeah, Bill sounds...
Hello, thanks for listening. I
actually like the sound of this.
Hello, thanks for listening. I am one of the voices you can use.
Sounds really just natural. So let's go for Charlie. And then we just click through at the bottom, continue, and then we're going to type out what we want it to say. So I've said, I hope you're having a great time watching Trevor's review video. He's such a great geezer. We're going to call this TC Test 5, and we'll click on continue. We'll go yes for subtitles, and now we can choose what we want them to be like. I quite like this, if we come to here, outline, I quite like the outline, and I usually just bring this down a little bit, and then you can click on preview, get an idea of what they're going to look like, and that looks fine to me. So I click on continue, and then it's just giving you a list of everything that you've done there, just to check it through, and then I'm going to go create video, and you can see this one now is processing. That's Charlie voice, Liam actor, and once that's ready, we'll get this little download link here, and then we can download it, which is going to open it up in a new tab, and then we can also download the video itself. That's ready. That literally took, I don't know, I wasn't timing it, but I would say less than a minute, and then we're going to just click here, and we'll go with subtitles.
I hope you're having a great time watching Trevor's review video. He's such a great geezer.
I mean that, you know what I'm saying? Listen, that's good.
I hope you're having a great time watching Trevor's review video. He's such a great geezer.
You know what I'm saying? That is brilliant, all right? It takes seconds. It's convincing. The subtitles are done for you. There is no learning curve, and there are so many ways that you can use these. You could use this to create social media accounts. You can also use this as a service for businesses where you can give them user-generated content. The whole UGC concept is that it's natural, you know? So look,
I hope you're having a great time watching Trevor's review video. He's such a great geezer.
You know, it's like a handheld camera, UGC, user-generated content, natural, real, realistic, etc. But this is, I think, as far as an AI version of this kind of stuff, is very, very good. So let me show you the other tests that I've done. So that was Charlie. Now we're going to go for Charlotte.
You could use me to build a massive following on social media and never get your own face on camera. But make sure you buy through Trevor. I really like him. He has a nice smile and massive bonus bundle.
Oh, sorry, I don't know if you heard that properly or if I was making a noise giggling over the top of it. But, I mean, come on, guys. You know, that is good. Let me just play it one more time and I'll keep quiet.
You could use me to build a massive following on social media and never get your own face on camera. But make sure you buy through Trevor. I really like him. He has a nice smile and massive bonus bundles.
All right, I think that's really, really cool. That's the first time I've seen that, actually. I made that before I came on. Here's Axel, British YouTube personality.
Did you know you can sell videos just like this one for $500 and even $1,000? Just make sure you buy this software through Trevor because he's a solid bloke and has an amazing bonus bundle.
You can see the kind of format that I'm taking here, can't you? Let's take a look at Summer.
If you don't like your face on camera or your own voice, then why not use me? Just make sure you buy through Trevor's link because he's such a lovely man and has the best bonuses ever.
Fantastic. And we'll go for Sarah with subtitles.
Okay, let's be honest here. If you are going to buy this, you should buy it through Trevor because he's such a lovely gentleman.
So I think you can see, guys, you know, this is a solid program. I've got to be honest, look, that test that I just did there that I hadn't even seen yet, Charlotte, like none of these have come out wrong, right? Which is unusual because, to be honest with you, when I'm reviewing products, you don't see most of the products that I review because when I'm testing them like this, if they fall down, I just don't review them. So I literally will then pull out at that point and say, right, now that's it. This is not going to be reviewed. So you'd never get to see it, not from me. All right, but this one you will get to see from me, obviously, as you have right now. So bonuses when you buy through me, you're going to get these free and instantly. VIP bonus number 1 is the unlimited creations for the first 250 people who pick up the bundle or the first upgrade. Unlimited creations, I would definitely recommend you go for that. Definitely, because it makes such a massive difference. You don't want to be limited, especially not on something like this, because this is awesome and you are going to use it and use it and use it. VIP bonus number 2 includes full agency license. So as a special part of this launch, you're going to get an agency license at no extra cost, allowing you to use UGC Valet to create videos for your clients and unlock a whole new revenue stream. So that is what I was talking about. You can sell these. You can sell this as a service. Can you think about the kind of money that you can make doing that and how easy it will be? It's just insane. Now, VIP bonus number 3 is you get access to their customizable green screen active videos. Choose from active videos featuring a green screen background and use their built-in background options to perfectly match your video's message and style. And then number 4, unlock the entire language pack so you can create spokesperson and UGC videos in up to 32 different languages. So as you can see, UGC Valet, very, very exciting, produces incredible content very, very easily, no learning curve whatsoever, and you can start making money with this very, very fast. Now, I would actually recommend that you go for the bundle if you can, because with the bundle you get everything at a massive discount. But if you can't afford that, at least go for the main product and get started with this. You really can get results with this, and it's so easy. You know, you could set up a new channel on YouTube, you could set up a new account on Instagram, for example, and choose one of these actors and a voice, and then just go ahead and knock out content after content after content and build that social media following and have your affiliate links in the bio and start making money that way. Or you can use this as a service to charge clients and charge them hundreds of dollars per video, and all you need to do is a couple of clicks, type a little bit in, and they're done for you. It's absolutely incredible how easy this is. So make sure you use my link to get my bonus bundle, and if you've enjoyed this video, please help me to help you. Give me a thumbs up on the video and say hello to me in the comments below, and then go and grab this. And don't forget, you get that massive bonus of unlimited creations if you buy the bundle or the OTO one. All right, so, and that's for the first 250 people. So make sure you get in as soon as you can. Do that now, and I'll see you soon. You take care. All the best.